guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am heading from going to Geneva to Nigeria. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm heading from going to Geneva to Nigeria, but I'm going to be flying KLM from Geneva to Amsterdam and then flying from Amsterdam all the way to Lagos. So I hope you enjoyed this travel experience that review.
I started my journey in Lausanne, where my friend kindly drove me and another friend to Geneva, a quick 40-minute trip. Whilst there's a fantastic train service to Geneva Airport, I'm grateful for such caring friends. As we headed to the airport, we encountered a bit of traffic, which made me panic about missing my flight. Thankfully, I made it just in time. This was probably the 10th time flying out of Geneva Airport, and I continue to love how simple and efficient this airport is. It impresses me how many airlines operate here, connecting you to destinations all over the world. Once inside, I headed to the Air France KLM check-in. The line was short and my luggage was just shy of the 23 kilo limit. I asked the attendant to add a short connecting tag for my luggage since I only had a 65-minute layover in Amsterdam before my flight to Lagos. She assured me it would make the connection without a tag. Stay tuned for my next video to find out if she was right. In the meantime, let me know in the comments, do you think my suitcase made it on my connecting flight? After check-in, I went through security and headed to the waiting area, which was quite crowded. One thing I noticed was the limited shopping options past security, most food coming from vending machines. I also tried to connect to the airport Wi-Fi but didn't receive the code, so I couldn't. Thankfully, I had an eSIM for connectivity. Boarding started not long after. We're flying on an Embraer E195, which I really liked. Walking past the business class cabin, I saw its 2-2 configuration with 16 seats total. The economy cabin also had a 2-2 seat configuration with 104 seats in total. My first impressions of the economy cabin and the plane overall. The plane looked new and the seating was high quality, featuring blue and black leather. The overhead bins were spacious compared to other aircraft of this size. I noticed that the seats in front of me didn't have a screen, which was expected for a short flight and a small plane like this. There was a convenient cup holder in the right corner of the back seat, and the tray table had a thoughtful design with an indentation to keep drinks stable during the flight. In the back pocket, I found safety cards, a KLM travel magazine, and a sick bag. Let's talk about legroom. There was definitely more space here than usual for an economy seat. It even had a USB charging point illuminated in green. Soon after takeoff, we were served a snack, which turned out to be one of the best sandwiches I've ever had on a plane. An egg and cheese sandwich. The quality of the bread and cheese was incredible. I'm not usually a fan of eggs, but this was delicious. I also enjoyed some fresh orange juice. I spent the rest of the flight watching a movie on my phone. You guys, always download Netflix movies on your phone. This really made the time fly by. Before I knew it, we were descending into Amsterdam. I love Amsterdam Airport. The food options are extensive. I had to hurry to my connecting flight, but overall, I absolutely loved my experience flying KLM from Geneva to Amsterdam. I would definitely choose them flying this route again. Let me know if you enjoyed my flight review on KLM today, if you've flown this route or this aircraft before. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video.